Johnson with Doc and Queen Ministries got on my Every Child Deserves a Father shirt. Just want to share with you on this beautiful, hot Saturday afternoon. Just want to share with you just something that was laid upon me on today. As I went to my barber, he said he had went down to the Norfolk Newport News area, had on one of my shirts, and a young lady approached him and asked him some questions and wanted to know a little bit about yours truly, the author, and she was wondering, my perspective of what a female thought about, their father and all that. And really, the book was really more based on my relationship with seeing fatherhood as I grew up. I've never been a female, but I do know through some of the people who graduated with me and live with my neighborhood, the female perspective of their father, or at least me seeing it from the outside trying to look in. And fathers are just important regardless, whether it's from a male to male or from a daughter to father situation. You know me, or for those who do know me, I care about all, whether it's males, females. I just think it's all about peace in life. I just know how important fathers are, and I see that the sun is really about to blaze out. So that's why you kind of seeing me and my screen kind of like getting real bright. But what I want to just share is, hey, I care about the females, and I know how important it is. Actually, the female to father relationship might be even more important, because we as men are going to have to figure it out regardless. We're not going to get the same social leniencies that a lot of females may get. And then on top of that, females got it a lot harder, because they a lot of times today are raising their children without fathers. So my love goes out to all females who have a great relationship with their fathers, and if they haven't, I hope that they improve. I like to thank my barber for having my back in that situation. I even like to thank the young lady who approached him and asked those questions, even though he came at me and said that it seemed like she was kind of like jabbing a little bit, but she had purchased the book, and she had purchased more than one book. So I thank her for that. But truly, all in all, I care about us all, and we all need to have first a better relationship with God. So once we understand we have a great relationship with God, it leads us to have a great relationship with each other. And what we might have missed out with our fathers, where we had them there, didn't have them there, let us just hope that others get to absorb that relationship with at least a father figure in their life. I just wanted to share this with you. I thank you, because when we do certain things, we don't know how we are projecting this and how this is going to go into the community. We put it out there, and we don't know all the different channels and ways that it goes out. But I care about the females and their relationship with their father, as well as young men and their relationship with dads. Dads, go out there. Take care of your children. Be good role models. But first, you have to get yourself up under God Almighty. Take care. God bless. And once again, much love. As I close, please go out, purchase on Amazon. Every Child Deserves a Father.